Guys, so we will start our Zingy parcel. Yes. Yeah, guys. So, guys, now we are going to do Zingy parcel. For that, we have to activate the yeast.
So first we have to add
Half cup.
warm water.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are doing Zingy parcel like Domino's, better than Domino's.
It should be warm.
Yes, very warm.
Next,
We should add sugar. How much?
sugar 2 teaspoons.
Teaspoon, yes, very little because can I mix?
Yeah, you can. The sugar should dissolve very well.
Yeah, then only the yeast will activate.
Yeah.
So there's something stuck in the sugar. So you have to take it out now.
So I think it should be dissolved for a few minutes.
Yeah.
Wait, guys. Please wait.
Please wait. Please bear with us.
It should be dissolved very much.
We are spending so much time on you, and if you just leave us, we'll be very sad.
Yeah, guys. Wait for a few minutes. Yeah, guys.
Yes, dissolved.
It's dissolved. Now we will add the
What is this?
yeast. So this is what
Dry yeast.
dry yeast. 2 teaspoons of dry yeast.
Can I mix?
Yeah, you should mix. Mix it well.
Mix it. So just crush it.
No, don't crush it. Just mix it. So it will take 10 minutes to activate itself. Okay.
So we'll see after it gets activated.
Yeah, guys. Just cover it with a lid or a plate.
Yes.
Whatever.
Now we'll do 10 minutes. We'll
After
see.
10 minutes, we will do. Start.
So guys, the yeast is bloomed.
Yes.
Yes.
So now we will add. So guys, now we will add. What is that? Maida.
Maida.
So this is all-purpose flour. We are adding 2 cups maida. Okay.
It's 2 cups. We are doing double.
This thing. Then we are adding some mixed herbs. Okay.
Yes.
Chili flakes, basil, oregano.
Yes.
Okay.
Or if you don't have anything, you could just add oregano.
Yeah. Wait for 1 second, guys.
Now we need 1 cup water.
And as per the requirement, we will add salt. Okay.
Yes, we want big salt.
Yeah.
Now we have to mix. So no water. I
So
told by mistake.
Oil.
Instead of water, you have to add oil. Now we have to mix it. We are mixing an electric beater.
Yeah, you can mix it with hand also.
Start. So look at that fog coming in. Look at the line.
So we will add some oil. Add Adarva.
Fuller?
Yeah, little bit.
Yep. Now should I add more?
Yeah, little bit.
Yep.
Yeah, we can mix it with warm water also.
Both we are mixing. So now we are mixing it.
Add some Adarva.
Yes, add. Shall I add some oil?
Yeah, some oil. We are getting some dough.
Mostly I prefer doing by hand.
Yeah.
But now it's coming the consistency.
He doesn't know to do it in hand. That's why we are doing like this. For kids, it's a better way. Yeah.
Look at it. It's so funny.
It's a funny dough. We should just knead it for few minutes, few seconds with the hand.
That's like poop. Don't forget to wash your hands.
Yeah.
Just move your hand little, no? The camera is getting.
Yeah, little bit.
So we have a new thing. We have a new
How
tripod.
nice the.
So guys, we have a new tripod. If you want to see the unboxing video, you can go and see it in our previous video.
Yeah. In the description box, we will get the link.
Of course. Just punch it. Punch it, punch it, punch it, punch it.
So we will change it over to our
Workspace.
Better.
Yeah. Apply oil. We forgot to apply oil.
But it's okay. We can add some maida because it's too sticky.
So shall I add some maida?
Yeah, because why it is so sticky means we have yeast in it. It's very sticky.
So take some maida.
Add here. Add here.
Boop, 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 beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop,
Add
boop.
more maida.
Yes.
Just
Maida.
for outer covering.
Boop, 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 boop.
Yeah, don't spread here, da. On the dough. Yeah.
Maida is maida. And let's get a high five, da. And we need high five. I mean, we have 5,000 subscribers. We need it, right?
Yeah, we really need it. First, we are aiming to 1,000.
First, we are aiming to 100.
100, then 1,000, then 5,000. Some more.
1 million?
There, some more maida.
Add some more maida.
You are doing, please do it with an adult.
We are doing with an adult.
Yeah.
That is the cameraman. This is the tripod, and which is holding the tripod
Yeah.
is the handle, and who's holding the handle is an adult.
Yeah.
So we'll see after it gets like poof poof poof. On.
So guys, we get it. So we got the dough.
So we'll clean up this up.
Yeah, there was a cleaner.
Give me the sponge. Give me the sponge.
Wait for a minute. Yeah. Getting back into the
Let
bowl.
this extinguish. So let's just wipe it out. Wipe it out.
Wipe it out well. So wait guys. He's wiping it out.
Bear with us.
I am changing the camera to you. The camera is doing like this, very bad.
Very bad camera. So I just wash my sponge. Look at this stinky. I just wash it.
Wash it and come. So we are adding some more oil.
Wait, Pratik!
So it's consuming more maida, guys. If you put more also, it doesn't need. You should apply oil on it, okay?
Yeah, we should apply oil on it. I came back and I'm not cleaning it again because it's already clean.
Apply oil.
Hi. Look at me, camera.
Yeah, wait.
So after this, we're doing a taste test, right?
Yeah. While this is resting, we will do the makhni.
Makhni means the inside batter.
The paneer makhni, okay?
So first, you have to cut the paneer.
Our zingy dough is ready.
So let's switch the angle back to our workspace. So it's back in our workspace.
So please cover it with a plate or a lid.
Yes. Now I'm getting the cutting board. Where's the cutting board?
Where's the cutting board, man?
Where's the cutting board, Anna?
Exactly, where is cutting board itself?
Where's the cutting board? Wrong. That I can break this in just a drop. 3, 2, 1. So guys, we got cut.
Yeah, nice. You got it cut in just in 1 minute. Good.
Yeah. So now we have to add 400 grams. So let's drop another packet with a plate. We need a plate. So I'm dropping another packet to again cut it. I don't know why I'm so strong as a kid.
We will put it in the bowl. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, whatever.
Yeah. Just put it
Oh.
in the bowl.
So now where's the other packet? So let's drop it again. 3, 2, 1. 200 grams of paneer broken.
So we change it to the bowl.
So I broke it in like 1 second. I don't know how. I'm so strong. So even if you don't believe me, just cover here.
Okay, guys. So see.
So if I
we are having 400 grams of paneer. Always take it.
if you think that I just did everything, then why would I keep the packet here instead of doing
Guys, if you need it in a small quantity, you can just half it. Okay.
half 200 grams?
200 grams you can take it. Okay. Like that for all the measurements you can take half. Okay.
We are adding double.
Yeah.
We have so much people.
So we are doing in the correct quantity. So this is our quantity. You can double it or you can half it also. If you double it, you will get more. If you half it, you will get less than that.
So now what should we do? Devashini, Akka?
So we are doing paneer stuffing that we are going to keep in the zingi parcel.
So what do we need?
So first, wait.
So guys, my sister going to do magic.
And
So guys, sorry, our grandma was calling. Now my sister is going to do a magic trick. So 1, 2, 3. So she's going to do it again.
1, 2.
So guys, it magically appeared.
Yeah.
So she's going to magically appear the ingredients. So
Guys, first we will add. So not adding. First we have to what?
put 2 to 3 tablespoons oil. But you have to light it up.
Yeah.
So guys, it's lighted magically.
No. Guys, it's okay, guys.
2 to 3 tablespoon oil.
Yes, it's lighted a little bit. Slightly have water, but it appeared magically. Yeah.
We have to double it. So 6 tablespoon.
6 tablespoon because we have more
People.
More people.
We have more than you.
So this is our correct measurement for you. If you can what double it or half it. That's it.
This is my favorite color, blue.
Yeah.
And her favorite color is
Whatever it is.
rainbow. So it's sizzling if you can see properly.
It's sizzling a little bit.
It is sizzling a little. Don't get it too close, it may fall.
Yeah.
Just get a little
Far away.
So now we need 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic. So my sister is going to make it magically appear. Oh, she just did it.
Yeah.
So next she's going to make it magically appear because she's a good magician, you know.
Yeah, my brother is also a good magician. We will add 5 to 6 cloves of garlic.
You can say 2 tablespoons. As she said, you can double it or you can half it.
Yeah. 1 second, guys. So okay, guys. So now
You have to add 1 small onion, but if you're doing it half, but we are adding 2 small onions.
so we are just telling the measurements. Okay.
Yes, you can double it or
Half it. Okay, guys. We are just telling 2 small onions. Don't tell. They will confuse.
they will get confused.
So we should fry it till the raw smells go. It's not that much rotten. It's okay. So now we will add onion.
2 small onions.
2 small onions, finely chopped.
Or you can add
Chopped
one
but
big,
well. Okay, guys.
or you can add 1 big onion.
Yeah, 1 big onion. Yes, that's a big correct measurements. Otherwise, giving.
I know maths.
No, Adarva.
I do my maths homework, so I know it.
So from now, what we have to do means we have to fry the onions till it comes to a brown.
Hash brown.
Not that much hash brown. Just little
Golden brown.
golden brown. Yeah.
So guys, sorry, it just slipped
It
off.
looks like translucent. Yeah, Adarva, fry it.
Yes, I will fry. So guys, look at this. I know frying magic, you know. So 3, 2, 1, boom.
Okay.
So my sister magically appeared. I don't know how.
Yeah. I just got a little confused. Okay, guys, wait. After we get the onion golden brown, we will see you guys. So guys, now the color is good enough.
Yeah. Now we have to add tomatoes.
Yeah, we just need little bit light brown, that's all. Or little bit translucent. Just we are adding some salt. Then only.
Sorry.
Sorry guys.
Tripod is little loose. We don't know.
Loose. Don't know to fix it little bit.
If you know, just put the link in the comments.
Guys, so what we
So
are
now we
doing
have to add some tomatoes.
salt, then tomatoes. Okay. We add salt. They will be cooked well.
Salt up to your taste. If you are a very salty person, you can add like full dabba.
It's per your requirement.
So how much tomatoes?
2 finely chopped tomatoes.
And you can half it or
Double it.
two finely chopped or one big chop.
Yes, Adharva. It's a very good confusing question to our wonderful subscribers. So guys, this one. We are owning the exhausted. It's a nice sound. So guys, yeah, we got a new light.
From the
So guys, so now it is doing well.
now what should we add? Capsicum.
So guys,
We are adding red chili powder.
2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Okay. So just we mix it well.
And we'll see after mix it.
So guys, now we will add capsicum.
What is very loose, guys. See
Yeah.
how to fix it and send it us to guys. Send it to us, guys.
Yeah, guys, little bit. Just show otherwise. Just hold it. Just hold it, guys. Wait, guys, we'll fix it and. So, guys. Yeah, mixing, guys. Just mixing well.
And next is oregano.
Next is what?
Oregano.
Yeah, oregano. Some oregano.
Can I have some for taste?
Yeah, of course.
I
So
love
we
it.
like more oregano. So we are what we are doing?
We got some Domino's oregano.
That is snapping oregano.
This is sapnip, and we are adding some red. We are adding some Domino's.
Red chili flakes.
Yeah, because we are doing some Domino's, we have to sponsor them. No, go eat Domino's. And what else? Now we have to add tomato ketchup.
So now we should add.
Corn. I by mistake told tomato ketchup.
So guys, sorry guys, I added water on the sweet corn. Sorry.
Totally very sorry to waste your time, but this is worth it. We are getting some free food.
We are getting, but you can also get if you do.
And subscribe.
Yeah, please subscribe, guys.
Subscribe for $100.
Yeah.
If you subscribe, you'll get 1,500 years of good luck.
Yeah, guys.
And now you have to add some.
Wait. It should the corn should cook little bit, okay?
Okay. Can I eat?
Yeah. Wait. We should.
So this is little more. That's it.
So it should cook 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes, guys.
So guys, next we're adding some chili tomato sauce. Or you can add some normal tomato sauce. Ketchup, whatever you can call it. Tomato sauce.
It's really like the zingy smell. The zingy smell is coming, guys.
Put some very much sauce.
Just give a yo.
Oh, this sauce is like warm.
Really
Sauce not
warm.
good.
It's really nice.
Is this let's check now. That basket.
So guys, next we will add mayo. What otherwise telling mayonnaise, so we will add mayonnaise.
But you should also add mayonnaise.
4 tablespoons of mayonnaise.
Mayo.
Don't see why the color is like that. It's in burger mayonnaise. We just have that mayonnaise. But it suits for what? Makhni. It suits for makhni. All are same only, guys. Just the colors.
Very same.
Now it become. Wait. Now it become little bit creamy. See how much creamy it is. Wait.
Now we have to add our main ingredient.
Paneer.
So let's add it. Beep. 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 Height. Beep. Beep. Beep.
क्या दलवा?
So guys, we added our paneer.
So 400 grams of paneer.
You can double it or
Half it. Half it means 200 grams, no?
double it means 800 grams. We already
No.
told it, I guess.
Yeah.
The camera is little folly shaky. But I'm holding it so it will not be folly shaky.
So our zingy stuffing is
Almost ready.
yeah, it's like very creamy and it's ready.
And smell is coming. Whoa. Can you hold the camera? So we'll see you after. We'll see you. Bye.
பண்றனால அது விழுந்துருது.
Guys. Go guys, let's. What else do we need?
Yeah. So next for our paneer makhni is
Ready.
so ready, guys.
So I zoomed it a little bit. So let's take it for chase. Give me the chase mask.
Get a spoon. Go. Eat it. Nice.
Very yummy. I should cook a little bit more.
Yeah.
Actually, we're cooking a little bit more.
It's like the same zingy that we get in.
Domino's.
Who now like zingy, please like, share, comment.
And subscribe.
Yeah.
That's it. We want money, rich, dollar.
And we give away for you as well as so you are
So
above.
if you give us some money, we'll
Not money, just a subscription.
and you have to give us 4,000 watch hours.
Yeah.
If you give us that, we will give it a giveaway. We will
We'll
give
give
it.
you back that all the things.
We'll give it to charity.
Charity and for yourself.
And if you help us, just comment your name. We'll give it in charity.
Paneer need just 2 minutes to cook, okay guys?
And if you
2 minutes to 3
if you
minutes.
subscribe and help us, we will give it to charity in your name. Comment your name in the comment box, right?
Yeah.
Then only we can give back. We have to give back for whatever we earned. So a wise man taught me that. Don't think I learned this from Darman. I learned it myself.
So we are also Darman from
Talk to Darman and
Mr. Bean. Yeah. And wrongest word also.
Yeah, and that's it. We should subscribe to.
So zingy parcel stuffing is ready, guys.
So now we have to get the yeast dough. Get the yeast dough.
Okay.
So guys, we are cutting the dough. Our yeast dough. Yeast sauce, boy.
It bloomed, guys. That's why. So guys, our grandma is telling us just load it like chapati. Guys, our grandma is trying to do chapati, but the dough is not that much. It is little bit sticky. What we did is sticky. That's why it is not coming.
So that's some easy work to do.
Other was coming with an
Infinity hand. So it's infinity column times 1000. Infinity hand.
yeah. You can show after the zingy part.
So next, that was.
So guys, our grandma is trying to do, but that was not a little bit sticky. It's a little bit sticky. You can adjust it with the flour. Okay, just fold it like that. Okay, Triangular.
Not like that.
Then what?
You have to put some space in between, no?
Okay, we have no.
Button. So next we have to
Next we have to have the cheese.
cheese.
Cheese. So wait guys, we will show after a few minutes. So guys, after this triangle, we should add some cheese. Add
some
grandma.
mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese. And some stuffing.
Stuffy, little bit only. That is enough. And now a little more cheese.
Little more cheese. More.
More. And if we have cheese slices, you can apply it on. We don't have, so we have to put that and apply some water also.
Yeah guys, apply some water and stick it, okay? So that's all guys. Like this only we need zingy
Now we have to
parcel.
put this on a plate, which is this by oil.
We'll show it afterwards. So the first zingy is ready. So guys, after a few minutes we'll see guys.
So guys, now we are adding some milk.
Just on the top because it will become brownish on the top.
So our jingis were not totally perfect.
But it's okay. It's
So this is
okay.
only perfect.
Yeah.
So now what should we do?
Now we will rest it for 30 minutes. Okay? 30 or 20 minutes. Okay?
30 or 40 minutes. Okay. So guys,
So
now we have to add some milk on it.
again, okay?
Again, second time.
Second time. So in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
We have 11.
11 things, 11 zingy parcels, okay?
Yes.
For our measurement.
Yes. If you make it half, you'll get, I don't know, you'll get 1.5. So it's not 1.5.
Then, okay? That's all. Again we add. Now we will transfer it to the pizza plate, okay? We are keeping it oven. Oven is what?
Oven, we have to preheat
For 10 minutes.
at 190 Celsius.
190 Celsius for 10 minutes. Okay?
Yes.
Okay guys, for now we will come here. So what I'm doing is add some oil. Oil. Please. It's not coming, oil is very little bit. Yeah, just like this.
So you have to mixy.
Keep the zingies.
So,
Wait, Rahul.
zingi number 1,
Number 1.
zingi number 2. Oh, that's it, basically. Zingi number 3. So let me just move the camera at the block. So after this, I'll show you my infinity hand. And we'll do taste test. Yeah, 4 is enough, I guess.
4 enough.
Yeah, for 1 day, this much only is enough. No, don't put it in the behind space.
Okay guys.
So we'll see you when the oven is finished preheating.
Yes. So
So guys, it has finished preheating. Now we have to bake it at 190 Celsius for 12 minutes.
12 minutes, not
12.
So guys, if you want to see the zingies are
So
inside.
we'll see you after 12 minutes.
Yes guys. Bye. The zingy parcel is ready for us. It had been taken 15 minutes.
So I just put it in the.
The zingy parcel is ready, so it's wonderful, guys.
So now we are going to taste it.
Nice.
Now we are going to do a food review by my father. Let's see. How is it?
Guys, so wonderful, so delicious.
Yes, you have to try it, no?
I've eaten such a kind of a zinger only in Domino's.
Yes.
Now this is equivalent to Domino's.
Yes.
Cheer up, guys. Good job. please subscribe, like button. Good, share it. Please don't forget to give a comment. Please try these things at your home.
So guys, see you when you said it.
Bye.
Bye.
So guys, like and subscribe and
Share, hit the notification bell right
down below.
Thank you for watching this video.